everybody, it's Rob Chavez, and today I have the good fortune to introduce to you our in-house corporate counsel, Michael Benmira. We call him the dad of the group because he's in charge of the distressed asset division, and that includes our short sales, right? And he's an awesome resource in order to help us get these short sales approved. And today we're going to cover a topic that's very important. It's one of the first things you have to do, but it's how to write an awesome hardship letter that is going to get the bank's attention, and it's going to get them to want to approve the short sale. So, Michael, welcome.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, let's talk a little bit about how to write this hardship letter. So, how would you advise a client on writing the right hardship letter to get noticed by the bank?
Well, one of the things that you need to do is actually be accurate and be concise. I've seen hardship letters that are 2, 3, 4 pages long, and those don't work. A one-page explanation of what is happening in your case, telling them what your hardship is and what you've done to remedy the hardship and why it is the house is no longer affordable to you, that works.
Okay. And should people write about how much money they're losing every single month? Should they detail the analysis in their hardship letter? I mean, what advice do you give them in that respect?
Well, it's basically, so we're constrained to, for the effective letter, we're constrained to one page, right?
Okay.
So one of those paragraphs is going to come out and say, I'm calling you because, I'm sending you this letter because I'm having these difficulties making these payments.
Mm-hmm.
And the difficulty making these payments is because I either got divorced, the property is underwater, my interest-only loan is not just only interest-only, but now it's PITI, principal, interest, tax, and insurance. The condo fees have gone too high.
Mm-hmm.
So there's a death in the family, there's a loss of job. So all those things get explained, and it shows what the monthly shortage is in your ability to make the mortgage payments.
Okay.
And so when you tell them the purpose, why are you in this situation, and then you've already tried, in most instances, they've tried a loan modification. Sometimes the loan modifications get approved, sometimes they don't. And in some of those instances where they've been approved, even the loan modifications don't work. I know cases where the loan modification got approved, it went from an interest-only loan to a PITI. But instead of reducing the monthly payment, the monthly payments have actually gone up by $25, $50. Granted, it is now including principal, interest, tax, and insurance as opposed to interest only for $1,500, as opposed to principal, interest, tax, and insurance for $1,550. In the long run, it's a cheaper product, cheaper fixed rate loan, which amortizes the loan, but instead of making it cheaper for you out of pocket, you're actually spending more money out of pocket every month.
I see that quite often.
So those instances, instead of helping you with cash flow, is actually, you got approved, you got a great loan modification at 2% for 5 years fixed. It's a great modification, but it means you're paying more out of pocket.
Yeah, it doesn't help you now, and what I find is that people need more money in their pocket.
More money in the pocket, and if you could afford $1,550, you wouldn't be in the situation of asking for a loan modification of $1,500.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So,
makes sense.
So those are the instances where modifications have been approved. Where modifications have not been approved, you're in the situation where, okay, well, now I've got a problem, more of a problem than before. Not only was I not approved, but now we need to, our expenses are going out more than our income for whatever reason. You lost your job, medical bills, yours, your kids, college costs, whatever it is that's causing that reduction in revenue every month is affecting your ability to make those payments. And so you can know that owning the house at this point may no longer be an option, and you need to do a short sale, especially when the property is worth less than what you own.
Yeah, and you bring up a really valid point, is you have to be able to prove hardship, right? That sort of thing is, in hardship, just to reiterate, it could be reduction in income, could be job loss, could be medical, could be divorce, health care bills, excessive debt, relocation because of your job. There's a lot of things that could classify as a hardship. And so if you have questions about that, feel free to reach out to us. And we're happy to kind of sit down and talk to you a little bit more specifically about your case. So anyhow, hope you guys are having a great day. Look forward to talking to you soon. Take care.
Thank you very much.